So, hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rahul Koul reporting from Global Bio India 2024, organized by Department of Biotechnology and BIRAC. And today I am here standing with Mr. Davender Kumar Bhati, and he's the managing director of Invigorate
Biotechnologies.
Invigorate Biotechnology LLP. And sir, you are based out of Mohali, and you have started this company around 2 years back. If you could explain what exactly are you doing in terms of R&D, and what are your aspirations?
Actually, we started in December 2022 with the aim to work in the field of cell and gene therapy. Right now, we are in a phase where we are preparing the viral vector system. We have done our POC. Right now, we are scaling it up to and developing the downstream processing, which will be over in next 8 months to 12 months. And then we'll gonna commercialize this viral vector technology. And side by side, we'll also start our CAR-T therapy development program.
Right. And do you also aspire to raising funds in near future? How is the business model working at the moment? And are you expecting government bodies like BIRAC also to provide some funding and hand holding to you?
Yes, right now we are bootstrapped, and our aim was to develop POC while we are being bootstrapped, so that we have something to show to get the funding from government agencies. Yes, we do look forward to have funding from government agencies, for support from the government agency, and it is vital to have support from government agencies for startup like us.
Correct. And how do you look at the broader biotechnology scenario in India? There's a lot of trust on biomanufacturing, and there is recently, Bio E3 policy has been, unveiled. So, as a startup, how hopeful you are about this policy and the, broader scope of biotechnology in India?
I see a bright future of biotechnology industry in India, and it's moving very fast and moving in the right direction. And lot of players coming into this field. Old players are there, but lot of new companies are moving into this field. I see a bright future in this field.
And how do you look at coming to your startup? How do you look at the product development in the future? By when you will be able to commercialize this product? And down the lane after 5 years, where do you see your company placed?
Down the line in 5 years, I see my company established, having delivered the CAR-T therapies, playing our roles in contributing to the service of the society. And right now, what we are doing, we are just focusing onto the work in our hands, so that we can achieve our milestones.
And one last question: what is your feeling of being part of Global Bio India? And what have your expectations been fulfilled to some extent?
Yes, we came here at Global Bio India to get some limelight, so that people know what we are doing and how we have progressed in last 1.5 year. What we have been doing, and about the expectation, yes, it has been met. People is recognizing our work, and it's a great feeling.
It's a pleasure speaking to you, Davinderji. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you, audience. Keep looking at updates on our site www.biovoicenews.com. Thank you.